I can't wait to drink champagne at the Grammys, D&D. I've been locked in. Don't try that boy going wild. Yo, look, it's day 2. Well, technically it's still day 1, but it's day 2 of owning a Duramax. And one of the first things that I want to show y'all, honest truth of a first-time Duramax owner, is how much does it cost to fill your truck up. So today, the first thing we're doing in the video is we're gonna go see how much it actually costs to fill your truck up. Now, I'm sitting on an incline. It's right at 100 miles left, and I'll update you guys before we actually start filling up. It's about 100 miles left, 1/8 of a tank. I've been told it's not good to run it completely empty. So I don't even want to get it close. I don't even want to push 50 miles. My goal is to never let this truck go under 100 miles. If you guys know me personally, I'm the worst at that. I will run it to the last drop. I'll put $20 a day in just to keep it rolling. I can't do that. I can't do that with this truck. It's too nice of a truck. We've spent too much money. We can't operate that way. So I need y'all to hold me accountable. But today we're gonna see how much it actually costs to fill up a 2017 L5P Duramax. I hope the lighting's okay. I've been fighting with the lighting on this lens. This is Michael. Michael's gonna be in the videos a bunch. So say hi to Michael in the comments. He's gonna be filming. He just broke his fibula. Fibula? Yeah. In 2 spots. 2 spots. So he's gonna be crippled cameraman. Crippled cameraman. I like that. Crippled cameraman for a little while. We're gonna start your Instagram page with that. Yeah, right? Michael's been a friend of mine for a long time, and Tallahassee's very small. Make some content for each other is really what it is. So he's here today. So the truck currently here, I'm gonna show y'all, just so y'all know I'm not lying. See how many miles we got left in the tank. 74 miles left in the tank. It's my first time in my life ever using the green handle. I need you guys to drop a comment, let me know how much you think it's gonna be to fill up this 35-gallon Duramax tank, okay? 35 gallons. Diesel is currently $3.60. Now, I will say that I'm used to spending about $375, $380, sometimes $390 putting the 93 premium into the silver truck. So the price change isn't that much, but the silver truck is only like a 24-gallon tank, so it's only like 80, 90 bucks at max to fill it up. This is 35 and I'm a little scared, which is why I had to decide what card I wanted to use. Smooth nozzle, select grade. Oh, look at that. Look at that green top. Look at that green top. Oh! Diesel. It's a diesel. That green top, brother. It's gonna hurt my heart.
Draining the bank account.
I'm actively draining my bank account as we speak. The green top. It's the first time using green top.
Here with helpful tips for fueling up.
For you.
Ready to pay for fuel?
Cheers.
Cheers. Way to pay. Look for the NFC symbol.
And we're off.
And tap on the scanner. Or use Apple Pay.
Look, what y'all think? Guesses? Listen to that beautiful sound. Such a magnificent sound. Is diesel a different color than gas? I don't know.
I have no idea.
Uh-oh, 23. It's at 50 bucks now. 55, 56.
I think diesel's been getting cheaper too.
Diesel's 360.
Just crazy.
So let's do some quick math before we see the final number, right? 35, how much it should be. We had 83 miles left, and we get about 15 miles a gallon, right? So 83, about 15. So it had about 5.5 gallons in it. So it's gonna do about 29.5 times. That's how much we should be in to this tank. I've never spent more than $100 on a tank of fuel, gas, whatever y'all hippies call it in my entire life. Diesel people are weird. They don't like calling it gas. We're putting fuel in our truck. Shut the fuck up. It's all gas, okay? Gas is gas. I'm putting gas in my truck, okay? It's all the same shit. Oh, we're at 85. Oh, this hurts. Oh, this hurts. 88. So we had said it's going to be about 29.5 gallons, we think is how much it's going to end up being. And we're at $94 right now, 26.5 gallons. 95, 96, 97,
Sold.
98, 99. Oh, it's 100. Oh my God, that hurts. That hurts. Can I give the diesel back? Oh, that hurts. What are we doing? What are we doing? Stop. There it goes. All right, what's the final number? 116.18. That's 35-gallon diesel tank. My first fill up ever in my life. I'm getting rid of the diesel. It's going back where it came from. Do what?
Get rid of the gas to pay for the diesel.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of my gas truck to pay for the diesel truck. All right, look, final number. 116.18 is what we spent. 32 gallons, a 35-gallon tank, so we were short a couple. My numbers were a little bit off, but if your numbers were correct, shut the fuck up. If your numbers were correct in the comments, I appreciate you guys for playing our little game today. Drop some bread emojis below. I guess the benefit to spending $116 on diesel for you in the comments is I now have 570 miles to the tank, which will probably last me like 2 days, knowing how I am. First small little trip that we're taking today in the new Duramax. I got to run to Jacksonville today, and not only are we going to look at some wheels while we're out there, or a set of wheels that I really like, but we really need to just go out there and check in on things and see how the boys are doing in Jacksonville. Can you tell I'm half asleep? I've been trying this new coffee that's not full of like sugar and syrups and crap. It's good, but it's not, you know what I mean? So I'm about an hour into my ride this morning, and I absolutely love the way that this truck drives. I love the power that it has. I'm cruising about 70, 75 down I-10 going to Jacksonville. I'm averaging about 19 miles per gallon right now, which is insane. I haven't seen MPG like that in a truck that I've had in years. Now, obviously, I think, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. I feel like, obviously, once you lift the truck, big lift kit, big heavy wheels and tires, the miles per gallon will go down. But once you tune and delete it, I think the gas mileage might get better again. So you might still average 20 miles a gallon in a diesel, which is insane. Not only is diesel cheaper than gas, because I have to put 93 in the 1500 in the silver truck, but you get better miles per gallon. I mean, you've got plenty of power in that. I mean, the ride has been so smooth this morning, and I couldn't be more happy and more blessed to be riding in my Duramax to the warehouse today. We're gonna go look at some wheels while we're here, or at least one set of wheels in particular, and I need some comments on what you guys think we should do. I can't decide if I want to do, I'm not gonna do it immediately. I think I'm gonna do engine work to the truck first. So let me know what your recommendations are for what. Should we do intake first? Should we do tunes first? Like, what should we do? I have no idea. It's my first diesel truck. I have no idea what I'm doing. So all of your comments are helpful. But I don't know what kind of wheels I should do. Should I do a 5 or 6 inch lift and do like keep the 5-spoke stocks and just do some 37s or 38s? I don't want to jump straight to 12, but should I jump straight to 12? Like, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I did about 21 to 22 miles per gallon in the old Duramax on the way over here. Couldn't be happier with the gas mileage on that truck. Now, once I lift it and tune it, I don't know, it might change a little bit, it might not. But I wanted to show you guys something. I got a couple of unboxings I want to do for you guys in the video today. But I wanted to show you guys a set of wheels that I was looking at that might go on the truck. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Yes or no on the Duramax? 2816 Victors? The floating center cast? That might have to be the move. Look at all my options out there. The world is your oyster. So many options. You guys got to drop a comment below and let me know what size wheel and tire setup you would like to see on the Duramax. And should we do black or should we do polished? Brian's over here trying to get a peek. Look, it's a big moment. I've got any of the OGs to the channel remember Brian on the channel. I'm not gonna put him on the spot and put him in the video unless he wants to be. But I got Brian behind the camera, and Brian was the friend that helped me film my first couple videos. He was with me, you were with me when we filmed the first video. Yep. My first YouTube video on this channel. And we had made a deal, we were gonna off-road his car at 1,000 subscribers, and we crushed that goal. And honestly, I don't think the channel would be here without Brian. Shout out to Amar as well, because Amar helped me film my second video. I was talking to him the other day. But it's only right that we bring Brian while he's in town to see the plaque, and I opened this on Instagram the other day, so if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, y'all gotta go follow me on Instagram. It's the same as the YouTube channel at thatwide.bowtie, but we finally opened the plaque the other night. I'll put a clip in here so y'all can see it, but 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, presented to thatwide.bowtie. Absolutely legendary. I'll let you hold. It's not as like, it's so like, it's so much lighter than I thought it would be, and it came with a little, just so y'all can see the box that it came in. It came with a little business card from somebody. The award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick, for building my thing. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. And then it's got some other words obviously on there, but from YouTube, the 100,000 black. While I've got Brian here, we're gonna run down and see Wyatt. I gotta pick up the silver truck today. But I did want to show you guys something in celebration that I've been working on. First of all, we're gonna do a little unboxing for y'all today. Is that all right, Brian? Can I do a, I've been meaning to do this. We're in the Starbucks parking lot over here, just grinding our hearts out, you know, on a Tuesday morning. So shout out to Doc's Diesel. Actually, this is kind of fire. Whoa, hold on, brother. Doc's Diesel sent me a shirt the other day. We're gonna be doing some maintenance kits with them on the Duramax back behind me. This is actually kind of fire. Doc's Diesel out here with the pressure on the t-shirt. All right. Okay. All right, Doc's Diesel. I see y'all. I got like 3 or 4 packages to open for y'all today, so we're gonna have some fun. That shirt's fire. Shout out to Doc's Diesel for that one. Manny did send me these the other day, and I've been excited to get these. Shout out to the guys down in Miami. Welcome to Miami. He finally sent me some of their new catalogs. If you guys are interested in catalogs, send me a DM. Send Poppy's Garage a DM. One of the just greatest group of guys I know. I would not be here without Manny. We're going to Miami this weekend to go film the new 6x6. He's got just a bunch of cool pictures and a bunch of just stuff about their products. They've been absolutely killing it. And I'm grateful for the relationship, you know? Shout out to Manny, shout out to PJ, they're killing it. This is what I was really, really hoping would come in, and it did. Some new Bread Gang test shirts for you guys. Now, I don't like keeping stuff in stock. I've never been a big merch person, but I wanted to test something different. And if you guys want to do the print to order process, like you go on and order it, they print it and ship it to you, this is a great option for you. I've done one before. This one doesn't have anything on the front, it's just the back. So just a clean, basic gray tee up front, but it's got the big Bread Gang on the back. Normally these smell burnt when they come from the factory. So if y'all order one of these, if I have the link below by the end of this video, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to sell these in general, because I will. I'll put these on there and then you can just go order them. But I really like with just a clean t-shirt on the front, and then you got the logo on the back. And then I did a cream version as well. So if you guys want like a lighter color, just something basic, so it looks like a basic shirt, but you got your big Bread Gang on the back. I'm kind of fucking with that. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Lastly, and then we'll be done, I promise. I gotta show love to my boy Zach. My boy Zach sent me, now these won't be for sale unless y'all really want them. I guess I could put his info if y'all want to order them from him. But he made me some hats the other day. I haven't really been ordering. I need a haircut bad. I'm getting a haircut when I go to Atlanta next week. It's getting bad, but I've just been letting it flow. You know, I don't really care. But Zach made me some Bread Gang hats. I might give Brian one if he wants one. Too fire out here with the Bread Gang. Zach, I love you. Zach's been one of the biggest supporters of the channel for a long time, and I wouldn't be here without him. I'm just grateful for everybody that likes and subscribes. And I say I wouldn't be here without y'all because it's every single one of y'all that gives me that little bit of motivation every day. So shout out to Zach for these. And if you guys really do want the hats and especially the shirts are super easy to do. I can put those a link below, and then you can just go order the size that you want. They print it and ship it to you. I'm not involved at all. If that's something that you guys are interested, drop a comment below.